Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss effective nuclear charge calculation part 2, NEAT and JEE series. It's only that definition: effective nuclear charge is a net positive charge experienced by an electron in a polyelectron atom. The formula to calculate the effective nuclear charge is the ZR is equal to Z minus S, where ZR indicates the effective nuclear charge and Z indicates the atomic number of the elements and S indicates the screening constant of the elements. In the part 1, we thoroughly discussed about how to write the electronic configuration, how it is divided into different groups, and what are the values of screening constant if electrons are chosen from S and P orbital, and if electrons are chosen from D and F orbital, and how the symbols are given and how S values are calculated. They are thoroughly explained in the part 1. Now we are going to see the part 2. In the part 2, we are going to calculate the effective nuclear charge of 6s electron of tungsten. For tungsten, the symbol is W, atomic number is equal to 74, and the electron ability is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, and 5d4. This is according to ABA principle. Okay. Now we are going to rewrite this electronic configuration according to their principal quantum number value. Okay. Step 1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, 5d4, and 6s2. Okay. Then they are divided into groups. 1s is one group, 2s and 2p, 3s and 3p, also 3d is another group, 4s and 4p, 4d, 5s and 5p, then 5d, also 6s. This is a chosen cell, therefore this is a nth cell. Here the 5d4, if you go for element with higher atomic number, all the orbitals are merged with each other. There is a small difference in their energy. Therefore, 5s2, 5p6 and 5d2 all are merged into a single compound. Therefore, it is taken as n minus 1th group. Okay. Then the all other from 1s2 up to 4d10, these all taken as n minus 2. Okay. In the nth cell, there are 2 electrons. In the n minus 1th cell, there are 12 electrons. In the n minus 2 cells, there are 60 electrons. Okay. It's well that in the nth cell, 1 electron is eliminated. Therefore, we are going to get the only 1 electron. Okay, because that is the electron that experiences a net given by the nucleus. Now we are going to calculate the screening constant value S. For S is equal to, this is a S and P orbitals. Therefore, for the chosen, you can say only 1 electron, 1 into 0.35 plus all electrons in the groups inside the chosen. Therefore, there are 12 electrons is equal to 12 into 0.85. Okay. Plus, there are 60 electrons in the n-2 orbitals. Therefore, is equal to 60 into 1. Okay. It becomes S is equal to 0.35 and 12 into 0.85. Okay. 0.85 into 12. Okay, 5 into equal to 10, then remaining is a 1. 2 into 8 equal to 16, that is equal to 17. Okay, then 1 times is equal to 85. So we have all these 0, 7 plus 5 equal to 12. There is a 9 and 10. 2 digits is equal to 10.2. Okay, plus 10.2 plus 60 into 1, that is equal to 60. So we are going to add now 60, 0, 0, 10.2, 0, also 0.35 is equal to 5, also 5, 0, 70. Therefore, S is equal to 70.55. Okay, now we will call it the Z star. Z star equal to Z minus S, where Z is the atomic number. Atomic number is equal to 74. Okay, minus S is equal to 70.55. So its value is equal to 74.00 minus 70.55. There is a 10, then 5. There is a 9, that is equal to 4. Then it is equal to 3. It is equal to 3. That is equal to 0. Therefore, it is equal to 3.45. Work student. This is the value of effective nuclear charge for the tungsten atom in the 6s electron. Okay. Okay, students. Now we are going to calculate the effective nuclear charge of 3p electrons of chloride ion. Okay, instead of that, for chlorine there are 17 electrons. In the chloride ion, it is a uninegative ion. Therefore, it gains 1 electron and becomes a uninegative ion. Therefore, number of electrons is equal to 18 electrons. But in the case of chlorine ion, the atomic number is always a constant because it indicates the number of proton. Therefore, it is always equal to 17. That is equal to Z. Okay, so then first of all, write the electronic configuration. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. There are 18 electrons. Therefore, equal to 3p6. Then the electrons are separated into electronic groups 1s2 and also 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6. So this is the chosen cell. This is the nth. This is the n minus 1th cell. This is the n minus 2 cell. Okay, in the nth cell there are 8 electrons. In the n minus 1 cell there are also 8 electrons. In the n minus 2 cell there are the 2 electrons. In the chosen cell 1 electron is subtracted. Therefore, there are 7 electrons. Okay, now we are going to calculate the S value for the chosen electron. In the S and P sets, it's equal to 7 into 0.35 plus in the n minus 1 cell there is a 8 into 0.85 and n minus 2 2 into 1. Okay, then it's equal to 7 into 0.35. We are going to calculate. So 0.35 into 7. 7 5 is 35. Then 3. Then 7 3 equal to 21. It's equal to 24. Therefore 2.45. Okay. 2.45 plus it's equal to 0.85 into 8. That's equal to 8 5s are 40 and there is a 4. 8 is equal to 64, that is equal to 68 and that is equal to 6.8 plus 2. Now we have to add the 2.45, 6.80 and 2.0 is equal to 5 is equal to 12, that's equal to 11. It's equal to 11.25. Now we have to call it the Z star, where Z are equal to Z minus S, Z are equal to Z is equal to 17 and S value is equal to 11.25. Therefore, the Z star is equal to, it is equal to 6 point, there is a minus, there is a 17.00, then is 11.25, that is equal to 5, here equal to 7, equal to 6, okay, that is equal to 6.75. Okay students, this is a Z star value of chloride ion. So, in these sessions, we thoroughly discuss about how to calculate the number of electrons that are present in the S and P group and also D and F group. If only one s electron is present, then that is also discussed. Therefore, it is a very important video. Watch it, use it, also share with your friends. Thank you.